Hey guys, it's YouTube, and today we're playing this game called Subway Surfs. So I got a starter pack. It was only $5. So yeah, I bought it and now it disappeared. It should be right here. And so like I got 346 coins, and I got 3 what are these? Like you can like respawn sometimes when you die. You can respawn. And like 9 of these, and it says I won 17k 900, but I actually won 0. So let's go over to me. So I usually start out with these two. So I just I don't know, got this one in the starter pack. So let's do around. Whoa, whoa, what? So you're not supposed to hit the trains. We're supposed to just try to go as far as we can. Jump, 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 and now jump. Cool. This is actually some fun games. Is I'm gonna come forward? I feel like the trains are gonna come forward. But I just died. Let's respawn with our keys. Oh my god, a train. I knew it. I knew trains. Oh, I got hit, kind of. I did that. Oh, I'm not going that. And oh, I really want to get that O. Oh, yes. Almost said cool. You have to spell that. Is that 2 times coins or 2 times stars? Looks like 2 times stars. I'm just going to say it's stars. Let's go here because I think there's a train here. Yeah, so let's keep doing this. That is risky, but cool. Jetpack! Oh my god, we are so close to the jetpack. The jetpack makes you go so far. There we go. I'm actually better than I thought because I play obbies on Roblox, so I'm actually really good. Yes, an L. This is it. Oh, okay. Let's just respawn again one more time. We ran out of the keys, but that's okay. No, okay, we can't do this. Okay, whatever. Let's get out. Oh, we got a box? What is this? Oh, yeah. Oh, we got another. A radio. Cool. So let's do another round. Hopefully we can do more this time. What? Okay, we can't do that. Do another. Down? Right? I think that's right. Jump. Oh my god! I literally almost died. What's that? I never went on to these before. Oh my god. That's always so good. I just missed it. There we go. Boom. Jump. I like jumping because it makes you go forward. Or they faster. Really? I'm just gonna only do a couple more. I feel like trying other skins out. I like this one, it's a radio, but I'm gonna try the other skins out. I wanna try doing the other skins. They're really cool. Like there's a gear and the boy. Maybe I'll use the gear too. Yeah, I feel like doing the gear too. I know the gear is not that good, but like I told you, I didn't do anything. I promise, guys, I didn't play the game. It's just woo. Look, I got the guitar. Oh, did you see him like doing this? You can't see me. Right. Hopefully we can let's do this. Jump. Yes. Okay. Go. Oh my. Yes. Oh god, I could have died from that. I literally think I'm gonna die this a bad time. Oh. Let's do this one more time. Okay, one of these. Perfect. These help. The guy still catches up so fast. How's that guy so fast on feet? Wow. Yes. Okay, we got some coins. Oh, ow. I thought I was gonna die from that. Ah! No! Okay guys, I think that's where I'm gonna end it. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that notification bell if you never miss a video, make sure to subscribe. So I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye!